Area forecast discussion. Jacksonville. A shift in the weather pattern begins today as moisture increases from the south, driven by a change in upper-level flow from southeast to south-southeast. Precipitable water values rise slightly above normal, especially across western Georgia and the southern St. Johns River Basin. Combined with daytime heating and cooler upper-level temperatures, this supports a 15 to 25% chance of isolated showers and storms this afternoon and evening, mainly between 4 to 8 p.m. west of I-75. Rain ends by 10 p.m. with dry overnight conditions. Highs remain above normal in the mid to upper 80s inland and low 80s at the coast. Overnight lows will be mild in the low to mid 60s. Smoke and patchy fog, including potential superfog near SR40 in the Ocala National Forest, may reduce visibility overnight. Mainly, VFR conditions are expected with brief MVFR due to shallow fog early morning. Winds will be light and variable inland, shifting to southeasterly with sea breezes by afternoon, gusting up to 20 knots along the coast. A minimal less than 15% chance of showers or storms exists near Gainesville late afternoon, but isn't significant enough to include in forecasts. Area forecast discussion. Miami, South Florida remains on the edge of Atlantic high pressure, but a developing low over the central U.S. will begin to shift this pattern eastward. Thunderstorm potential remains limited today, though some shallow moisture could trigger scattered showers, mainly over waters in the morning, then moving inland by afternoon and evening. By Saturday, rain chances increase with rising temperatures, mid to upper 80s along the coasts and low 90s inland. A mid-level disturbance and added moisture will enhance the likelihood of thunderstorms, particularly where sea breezes collide over interior areas. Expect breezy easterly winds, generally VFR conditions, and possible isolated showers near coastal airports. Area forecast discussion. Melbourne dry conditions persist this morning with scattered clouds and temperatures ranging from the mid-60s inland to mid-70s along the coast. A dry mid-level layer, 450 to 800 millibars, is limiting rainfall potential, though shallow coastal showers may occur, especially near the Treasure Coast, with a low 20% chance of brief showers or lightning storms late morning to early afternoon. Some activity may drift inland, but will likely dissipate due to dry air. Most areas will stay dry today, with highs in the mid-80s along the coast and upper 80s inland. An increasing east-southeast breeze will accompany the inland-moving sea breeze, with gusts around 20 miles per hour. Tonight we'll see clearing skies and lows in the mid to upper 60s. VFR conditions are expected overall, though some MVFR ceilings are possible at coastal terminals during the late morning. Winds will remain light and variable early before increasing through the afternoon and easing again overnight. Area forecast discussion. Tampa. A strong upper-level ridge remains in place today over the Florida Peninsula, supporting warm and dry weather with mostly sunny skies. This ridge will weaken over the weekend as a major pattern shift occurs. An omega block forms over the continental U.S., with a cutoff low over the Midwest driving a frontal boundary into North Florida by late Saturday night. This boundary will stall and weaken Sunday into Monday, increasing the likelihood of showers across much of the region during that time. By midweek, the pattern shifts again as the blocking system breaks down and the subtropical ridge rebuilds over Florida, returning dry and very warm conditions. Toward the end of the week, another cutoff low, part of a new omega block pattern, moves across the plains. The ridge will continue to dominate over Florida, but slightly higher moisture may bring a minimal chance of afternoon showers or storms along the Nature Coast. VFR conditions will prevail at all terminals for the next 24 hours. Expect scattered to broken high clouds and development of scattered cumulus at 5,000 to 6,000 feet this afternoon due to daytime heating.